Hey, what's up guys, it's Sebastian. So in this video I want to discuss a very specific topic because over the past few weeks I've been getting a lot of websites sent to me via Instagram DM. A lot of the subscribers from this channel are going on and sending me their websites, and I'm seeing a lot of the same trends on these sites where a lot of people are they don't have their site structured to actually get sales, and they're not learning from successful stores. So I've been making quite a few videos of myself analyzing successful dropshipping stores, but in this video I felt like it would be very valuable to just discuss basic principles of what makes a website convert and why my websites convert on Shopify, why I have them set up a certain way. I'm not going to show them, I'm just going to verbally discuss them. And so I will just mention all of the points that you need to touch on your website in order to generate sales, because generating website traffic is very simple. Generating the sales and actually converting these visits into purchases is a whole nother story and requires specific things on your website, or else you will not have any sales. Before I get into this though, be sure to smash the like button and click subscribe for future content. Also, my dog is right there. He's in the office today, so just disregard him if he makes any weird noise. He has allergies, so he licks all parts of his body, so just disregard him. But now that that's out of the way, let's get into this video. So one of the big things that a lot of people don't do is learning from the top dogs in any single industry. So if you think of what sells the most online, what websites are generating the most money, Amazon, top dog. It's the most valuable company in the world right now, and there's a reason for it. They are getting so much consumer money spent on their websites for a specific reason. Now, yes, they do have fast shipping and all of that stuff, but if you go onto any product page, you will see why they have such high conversion rates, why people spend so much money with them. It's because they have, again, very simple layout. They have the product, they have the price, and then they have features, and then they have FAQs, and then they have reviews. It's again, very simple structure, but a lot of people forget that there are fundamental things that you must do on your product page. I see way too many websites of people just having the generic AliExpress description, or just having like 2 sentences on their description, when in reality you need quite a bit to convert these visits into sales. You basically have to think of any reason why someone can't buy your product and answer that all in the product description or on the product page somewhere, whether you're using a theme that includes these drop down menus for your website to then link maybe an FAQ page, a shipping page, contact us page, all of those things. No matter what, you do need to answer every single question. So let's say I'm selling a blender bottle because I drink water out of this. Maybe someone wants to buy this, but they don't know the size. So if you list out, okay, it's 20 ounces, maybe someone doesn't know how much 20 ounces is. You could say this is 20 ounces or 600 milliliters, because I believe that's about the same. It's about the same. So you can have multiple points as to what the product is. And if people don't know what material this is, maybe they're like, is it glass? Is it plastic? You can say, oh, this is BPA free plastic, blah, 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 stuff like that. And there are a lot of things that you as a seller think that everyone knows, when in reality, the visits on your website, they need things very dumbed down, if I'm being completely honest. So you need to make sure you have everything broken down for them, or else in their head they're like, okay, I don't really understand this product, I'm not going to buy it. I'm selling a very complex product right now that requires quite a bit of information, which is why this video and this topic is so relevant, because I right now have been, for the past 2 days, created a website that had to answer some very complex questions in one product page to sell the product, because this is not like a $30 product. It's very expensive, and therefore I need to answer very complex questions in order to convert visits into sales. Another big thing is selling the product and having a good sell point. So a lot of people sell product and they just think like, okay, it's a great product, I'm gonna sell it and I'm gonna make all this money. But the big thing that people forget about is, why do people want to buy your product? So an example, I mentioned this product a few videos ago, was the tattoo removal pen. It was a laser pen that could remove tattoos if you have them, some that you don't want. You could buy the product and use it on your tattoos, and it would gradually fade the tattoos away. Now, this product sold so well for me because yes, it was a cool product, but that is not exactly what sold it for me. What sold it was because I had my product page lined up to showcase tons of examples of it being used, explain exactly what type of customers bought them, and then when I targeted people on Facebook, those are the people I was targeting. So it's not like I had a very general description. My product description was very laser focused on a specific audience, so that when they landed on the product page, they felt like almost probably a little sketched out because of how in-depth and complex the product description was and how it was directly angled towards that audience. You also want to make it feel as if a consumer is almost taking advantage of your store. So for myself, I will shop online, and if I think that I'm getting a good deal online, let's just say I'm buying t-shirts, like I ordered some generic t-shirts that come in sometime this week, and I bought a lot of them because I wear basically the same clothes, but I saw the price, and in my head I was like, okay, that's an amazing price, and if I buy a few more, I get a better deal, so I'm just going to order a ton, because again, I dress very simple. I keep it plain with just normal, no like design t-shirts. That's kind of all I wear. And so I placed an order and spent quite a bit of money on t-shirts. Now, maybe they are sourcing the product for 1/4 of the cost that I just spent, but I felt like myself, I was getting a good deal, which is why I spent the money on it. No one wants to spend money and feel like they are getting used or like scammed out of money when they can go get something better. So whether it's just number one, offering a better price, that is obviously the most simple way to increase your offer and how you sell the product. One thing you could also do is add faster shipping or more efficient shipping, or you can offer a warranty or offer a bundle where, okay, if every time you buy this product, we will include, like if you're selling, let's just say I was to sell iPhones, if you buy this iPhone today, we'll offer a free case and free AirPods. Obviously AirPods are very expensive, but we'll give you free case and free earphones if you buy the product. So things like that increase the perceived value, adding to your offer and making it kind of a no-brainer to these potential consumers. Another big thing that I always do with my websites once they've already generated a few hundred sales is go in and do some email marketing, not to sell more product. Yes, you will with this strategy, but it's not to sell products. You basically just want to collect data as to why people are buying this product. So in your head as a marketer, so let's say I was selling home security systems right now, because that is a great product due to the fact that everyone is kind of freaked out about these riots and everything going on. Great product. In my head, I believe people are buying these products so that they can stay safe in their house and feel safe. But that may not be why they're buying the product. That is just in my head what I believe. So same thing goes with tons of products. A lot of people run ads and generate sales, and they think that they have the specific reason as to why people are buying the product, and then it's actually a very different reason. So what I do is once I again have a few hundred orders, maybe 100, 200, I go on and send a mass email to all of my buyers and basically ask them why they bought the product. Now, no one's going to email you back if you just ask them that. You need to incentivize them. So what I do is I email all the buyers. I basically ask them why they bought the product. So I'm like, you know, we want to know exactly why our customers are shopping with us and why they love the product so much. So if you could reply with a 1-paragraph answer as to why you bought the product and how it's benefited your life, thank you, that would be greatly appreciated, and we will send you out. Let's just say I'm selling shoes. I don't sell shoes. If I'm selling shoes, I'd be like, we'll send you out a free pair of cool socks. Like, we'll send you socks with your face on it, or socks with a cool word. I don't really know. I'm just trying to get my point across. So we will send you something for free, so that in their head, they're like, okay, I'll answer this, and I'll be truthful, and I will get a free product. What you can do then is you can analyze, let's just say you send 200 emails and you get back 20. Let's say half of those are all the same exact thing and they're not exactly what you thought you were selling your product based on. What you can then do is change up your website and angle it more towards that specific reason as to why people are shopping, and then angle your ad creatives differently, because again, a lot of people sell products and think they know why they're like why the consumers are buying them, when in reality they probably don't know as much as they think they do. Now, that is very detailed stuff for experienced dropshippers, experienced people with e-commerce, but this doesn't matter. You can still apply this on a smaller scale if you're growing a following on Instagram for any product you're selling. Always ask questions, whether it's on a story or you're doing a poll, like a yes or no poll or a question poll. That is very important so that you understand exactly what your customers want from you, or if they enjoy the product, stuff like that. It's just very important to get an understanding of exactly why people are buying the product, because you could be spending way too much money on marketing and not actually selling to the right audience. Another thing, I'm selling a product right now. We thought we had a great target audience, and then today I was doing some research and then thinking about some marketing strategies that we can do and some different audiences, and I found a whole new market that actually is not really being sold to right now, and there's a lot of money to be made, and this is again for a more expensive product. So we are in that market and trying to figure out more ways to sell it, and I found out a great way today, because I again had to really think as to why people people are buying the product and what the use is for. And then I came to a conclusion that is there are very different ways to sell this product, and I'm not just talking about my specific product, like other products too. There are many things that you think you are doing right in your business that you're actually doing pretty wrong. So once you understand that the customers actually have a lot of value to offer by just answering that simple email that you can send out, you can improve your offer and your ads tremendously with just the simple little things that you can do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my little guest star over there. It was definitely a different type of video. I just am having a lot of people sending me DMs with their websites and stuff, and I'm seeing the same issues, and it's like, fuck, fix the same things. Like, it's literally everyone doing basically the same thing wrong. So just improve the product description, learn from big brands that are already doing big numbers. Like, literally, if you could just restructure Amazon's listing of the same product you're selling, you would probably have a higher conversion rate than the conversion rate you currently have. And it's simple because Amazon has it down. They have so much money spent on back-end development to make sure that they're converting as many visits as they can into sales. So learn from winners, ask your customers why they're buying from you, and incentivize them to answer that question. And you shouldn't have an issue with improving your conversion rate, improving your offers, your marketing, ad creatives. All of that stuff should be improved if you follow these steps. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Smash that like button if you did enjoy. Click subscribe as well because I'm posting videos every single day. Also, side note, I may look a little ashy. It's not because my skin is dry, it's because I actually got a little sunburned at the beach the other day, and so I'm peeling a little bit. Like, my ears are just terrible. So that's going to be in the next few videos. It'll look a little bad, but disregard it. But other than that, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.